Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super helpful video for any of you having, guys, Volkswagen Tiguan 3rd generation here. If you want to know the relay diagram, where your relays are located, what they're for, how to know which relay is for what, all that will be shared in this video today. The relays, they're hidden, but we'll explain how to get to them. All that will be covered in this video today, and we'll explain what each one of those relays is for. Now, also guys, okay, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, guys. And after that, by the way, if you need to buy, guys, any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can see, guys, where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So, the relay diagram now. Guys, you will have many relays, more than 10, and they're quite hidden. Only 2 are easy to get to. Let's start with these 2, they're quite important, then we'll explain about the other ones. So, what you guys need to check, open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, this is the main engine fuse box. It's locked in place, but if you slide these things to the front, unlock symbol will appear, you grab, wiggle it straight up, pull it up, you have very important relays right here. Now this is for 2012 to 2017 fuse box diagram. The other one will actually differ a little bit, but we're talking about relay 1 and 2, R1, R2. R1, guys, this relay right here is for practically the engine computer. Very important relay. And this is known as the main relay or terminal 30 relay. Now, guys, if you have a 2008 to 2011, okay, you will have these relays again, okay, R1, R2 right here, but they will differ a little bit. Now, we're not done. We have quite a few hidden relays. Where, guys? Let us show you inside the car. So if we come right here, I want to show you. Come on the driver's side, you see under the steering wheel on the left side right here, this is the storage compartment. Open it and surprise, you don't see anything, right? But here you have one stop on this side, one on that. You push in and pull out at the same time, the same thing on this side. It comes out, now you grab and pull it out because the hinges are cut so you can slide it out. Here you have the interior fuse box. On top of it you will have many hidden relays, but you cannot access them without removing that panel. So let's go ahead, remove that panel, explain how to do that, and we will talk about the diagram of these relays as well. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test the fuse, but it's quite simple, and often Okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video, how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, let us show you now what we need to do. We open the storage compartment here. Here you have one stop on the side and one on this side. In order to release it, you grab that side and push it in and pull out at the same time. Okay, give me a second. Right there. And the same thing on this side. It comes out. Now you grab, pull it out of the hinges. The hinges are cut, so you can pull it out. Now, what do we guys need to do here? Let us show you. Okay, here we have actually a few hidden screws. Let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, so these screws, guys, okay, the first one will be right here. Okay, so Torx 20, start looking bit. We're going to go ahead and remove that screw right there. Okay, one is out. One on this, two on this side actually you have. Let us show you now. Okay, this one's coming out too. You may have a footwell compartment airbag. Be careful if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags. Do not remove it, do not touch it, do not play with the wires, because it can cause malfunction that can cause injuries or even death. Now, guys, okay, here, let me see if we have anything else holding in place. Here we're going to, let me see, pry that cover open. See if we have underneath. We have one on top, I know for sure, but I want to see. Okay, here we'll have a few more. And guys, let's show you now. We have a clip here, there as well, a clip there. Okay, it comes out. Here you have two more. Okay, let me see if I can unscrew them. Perfect. Okay, like that. Three more, actually, three, guys. I thought it's two, it's actually three holding it in place. Okay, perfect. And one more right here towards the bottom. Quite complicated design, guys. Okay. And okay, it's coming out now. So guys, we're not done. Okay, you think that panel is ready, but guys, right here we need to go ahead, okay, pry that holder here. Okay, because here we have another. Okay, so you have practically two clips, metal clips, you see right there. We'll flip it that way, not to rest on the instrument cluster, because we can scratch it. Here with the screwdriver we're going to remove another screw now, holding it in place. So far you can see how many, 3, 6, 7 screws I believe we removed. Now let me see if that one's all free now. I believe it just has a clip here. We're going to double check now. Okay, because I don't want to damage the dash here, so give me a little bit of time to research the whole thing. Yeah, it has a clip here, guys. Quite tight clip, by the way. So if I come right here, okay, because this is part of the dash, so it cannot come out. So let me see exactly where that clip is, how it's holding in place. But okay, here there is a screw, guys. I'm touching a screw. Okay, it looks like we have a screw somehow. So give me a second to make sure that it's not from under the vent here, because it might be holding here as well. Let me research some and I will continue with the next step. So guys, there is a trick. You cannot pry the switch, you're gonna break it. Okay, there is a hidden screw right here in the middle. That's what we looked with the light. What you guys need to do, headlights need to go to the 0 position. Push down on the switch. While you're pushing down, turn to headlights and pull out. watch this thing out. Okay, the switch comes out hidden, right? Okay, hidden mechanism. Okay, how you do that? Because it releases, guys, okay, the clips, so you can go ahead, okay, and do that. You see how the clips go in and out. Now we can go ahead and disconnect that switch. Here there will be a hidden screw on top, right there, and you see that's the screw. Go ahead, remove that screw now. Once we remove the screw, okay, so this is number 8 so far, 8 screws we've removed. We need to disconnect the switch for adjusting the lights. Okay, this one can actually come out and do it on this side. Okay, and then come through here, that panel will come out. But guys, okay, you think you're done, right? Well, check this thing out now. The relays, guys, are right here. Okay, you're going to have some relays, body control module, guys, and by the way, okay, you're going to have hidden ones as well. You wonder where? Well, how you're going to access them? Okay, through the bottom there and behind that panel. But here, okay, now give us a little bit of time to get here things ready. Okay, right there on the inside, your relays. Okay, let's leave the light up a little bit. Okay, 1 second. Your relays are hidden back there. Okay, check them out, guys. You see, those are your relays, main relays. So what the diagram looks like, let us show you, okay, in a second now as well. So guys, let's now talk about the relay diagram, since there will be different things and we cannot clearly show you all the relays because you can see where they're hidden. We got them on the computer here, we took pictures, we reworked them so we can show everything in a clear way. That's the one that we can actually have, okay, depending now on year and model, things may differ some, guys, but now this is the diagram, okay. That's the diagram that we have right here. That's the relays that we actually have on our car. And this one is, guys, the blower motor fan relay, the high power heating relay, right here. This relay 2, it's known as a contact relief relay X. Relay 3, guys, is terminal 50 power supply if you have that one. That also could be a starter relay with the, if you have the automatic start stop function there as well. This is a supply. Okay, after that, let me show you here specifically 1 second. Next, okay, you're going to have right here, okay, this could be, guys, fuel pump relay right here for most cars, okay, or vehicles with a right-hand drive, or it could be supply fan relay as well. And number 5 is either starter relay or terminal 50 relays, depending whether you have a left-hand drive or right-hand drive. Now we're not done. Check this thing out, okay. This could be, okay, you know where we took, okay, that picture? Give me a second just to open it quick and I'll show you something. So things may differ for some years, but you see right here, okay, avoid, don't count this section, but above the fuses you may have another relay block on some cars, guys. And if that's the case, okay, it may look like this one. And if that happens, okay, here things will differ again as well. Now let's open, okay, I want to open the diagram so we can clearly show you what we're going to have here. This will be relay number 1, known as a terminal 15 relay. This is number 2, exterior heated mirror relay. Number 3 is usually not used. Number 4 goes to terminal 30 relay. Number 5 is rear window defroster. Number 6 goes to this side, guys, that will be the horn relay. Number 7 and 8 is windshield washer pump and headlight washer system as well, and this one is contact relief relay X as well. Now remember that hidden fuse box that's on the back, inside, deep inside the dash, it looks kind of like this one here, guys. Okay,
Here you may have more relays, okay, and it could be something like this one here specifically. And the relays that we need to check here, guys, okay, will be a few more. Starting on this side, relay number 1. This will be for left-hand drive vehicles, independent heating relay, okay. This will be fuel pump relay number 2. Or for some vehicle with right-hand drive, it could be the trailer module relay. Number 3 is the next relay right here, and this is supply terminal 15. That's for rear window heating right there, okay. And this could be for additional coolant pump right there, or it could be if you have the diesel engines, it could be for the DPF as well. This is the headlight cleaning relay for some vehicles. Okay, if you don't have the one above the fuse box, you're going to have that fuse box. That's why they're almost the same. This is right here the horn relay after that, and then you go to the trailer relay, okay, for left-hand vehicles right here. So guys, okay, most likely you're either going to have this fuse box, this relay box above the fuse box, or this one behind the dash. But those are the relays. Quite complicated, I know. We try to cover it all, guys. Some things may differ for different years, models and specifications, but we tried our best to share the information that we find, okay, to help you fix your car for free. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.